Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart the iRobot Roomba Plus 505. If you're interested in the 505, the link to it will be in the video description. First thing we have to do, our vacuum is powered on. A restart is a simple power cycle. We're going to be turning it off and back on, and we can physically do that with the power button on our vacuum. So our lights are on. We're going to currently hold that button for a couple of seconds. So press and hold the power button. We'll watch the home light. We'll see that it'll shut off here in a second.
Powering off.
Okay, powering off. We're going to let go. Got the voice prompt. I heard the speaker cut out. The lights are now off. We'll just give it a second or two. And then to complete the restart, we're going to press and hold the power button again. And we'll wait for it to turn back on. The home button's illuminated, so we're going to let go. Both lights are flashing.
Powering on.
Voice prompt, it's powering on. That's it. Simple and straightforward to restart or reboot your iRobot Roomba Plus 505.